How you doing? My name is James, sales manager here at Couto Construction. Today what we're going to do is we're here for a roof tune-up. Starting with that, we're going to jump inside right now, and we're really going to make sure if there's any concerns or any current leaking going on. After we figure that out, what we're going to do is we're going to get up in the attic and see if there's anything that we can see from the inside, just to do a full assessment of the home before we get up there on the roof. A couple things that we did see was the age of the roof is in tough shape. I mean, it looks good from afar, but when you get up, you can really see the issues that are going on. There are some missing shingles. The biggest concern that we did see is the flat section of roofing. Coming around at the drip cap, there is some cracks in there, but there also are some exposed nail heads, which are major areas for water to possibly get through. Water hits the top of that nail, gets down and gets right into your decking. It's a major concern. But when we came around the back of the roof, what we really saw was a massive area where there were shingles missing. These shingles exposed the 15-pound felt that was underneath. That meant every time that it rained, water was getting right into Mrs. Offley's house. So we wanted to make sure that we did patch those shingles, which comes with your tune-up. We were able to patch up to 5 tabs. Another thing that we did do was around the bathroom stack. Around that bathroom, what we were able to do is we saw that it was lifting up. We did nail that back down and caulk it. Again, we're not going to 100% fix your leaking, but we are going to minimize it to make sure that you want to know what, for the next rainstorm, hopefully we can keep the water out of your house and extend the life of your roof. If you're questioning if your house qualifies for a roof tune-up, one thing you want to look into is if you have a 1-story or 2-story home. That qualifies you for a roof tune-up. If you have any other concerns about height or steepness, please give us a call. We'll be able to help you out with that. Another thing that we do offer is a gutter tune-up. With a gutter tune-up, what we are doing is we're helping you with cleaning up to 100 linear feet of gutters, and we are sealing around all the corners. What this is major for is at fall time. Leaves are going to be falling, clogging your gutters. Call Couto Construction. We'll be able to get out there and help you out as best we can. So if you're questioning how to get on the schedule for roof tune-up or gutter tune-up, give our office a call at 508-509-4414. One thing is, we only do these appointments a few times a week. So if you have major concerns or questions, please give us a call today and we'll be able to help you out.